Welcome back to One More Guru. So I recently checked out Hermsa Dentures, and it's basically one of those at-home denture kits that promise you can get a nice, natural-looking smile without ever visiting a dentist. The idea is that the dentures are comfortable, mold to your gums, and cost much less than traditional dentures. You simply order them directly from their website, hermsa.net, and that's it. No dental appointments or professional fittings involved. But here's where things get a little concerning. When I tried to find independent reviews, there were basically none. I couldn't find any verified feedback on Trustpilot, and there's very little discussion about the product elsewhere online. Another thing to keep in mind is that many dentists don't recommend DIY denture kits like this. Dentures are usually meant to be professionally fitted to match your mouth properly. Doing it yourself could lead to a poor fit, discomfort, or even long-term issues with your gums or teeth. The website itself appears functional and secure enough, but it also doesn't provide much information about who actually runs the company. If you're considering buying something like this, it's important to make sure your payment method has protection, just in case. So while the idea of cheap, convenient dentures at home might sound appealing, there's definitely some risk involved, especially with something that goes directly in your mouth. Thanks for watching One More Guru, where we break down trending products and help you decide what's really worth trying.